In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix blurry iMessage photos on your iPhone using some simple solutions. Have you ever found yourself frustrated with iMessage photos that appear blurry or unclear? Well, you're in the right place, and it's a quick fix that won't require any technical expertise. Let's dive right in. One of the most common reasons why your iMessage photos might be appearing blurry is due to a setting called low quality image mode. This setting, when turned on, compresses images to minimize data usage, but it can also lead to lower quality images being sent and received. To resolve this, the first thing you need to do is disable low quality image mode within the Messages app settings. It might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, the process is straightforward. Start by going to your iPhone's home screen and tapping on the Settings app, which is represented by the grey gear icon. Once you are in Settings, you'll want to scroll down until you see the section labelled Apps. It's here you will find the Messages option. Tap on this to open the Messages settings menu. Now you should see a variety of options related to how your iMessage functions. Keep scrolling until you encounter low quality image mode. By default, if the images you've been sending and receiving have been blurry, this toggle is likely turned on, indicated by a green switch. What you're going to do next is quite simple. Tap on the switch to toggle it off. This action will disable the low quality image mode. By disabling this setting, you're allowing your iMessage to send and receive higher resolution images. This means that photos you share and those you receive should now maintain their original clarity and quality. It's a truly effective solution for those consistently sharing images over iMessage, particularly larger files or those full of fine details. At this point, it's a good idea to test out your new setting by sending a photo to someone using iMessage. Ask them for feedback on whether the image quality has improved on their end as well. While this might resolve the issue for most users, remember that image quality can also be influenced by factors outside of your control, such as the network connection of either you or the person you're messaging. So there you have it, a simple but effective way to ensure your iMessage photos appear crystal clear. I hope this guide has helped you address any issues you might have been experiencing with blurry images. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips in the future.